Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to log into Freckle and how to get to your dashboard and all of the projects you have to do that week that are due. And yeah, so if your class code isn't down here, then you can just put it up here, but mine's down here, so I'm just going to use that. And then to put in your name, you just you can put in your name and then I'll save it. I put in a lot accidentally, so that's why it has so much. So I'm just going to put in my name. Then it would give you a prize for that day if you just logged in, but I already got mine today. So either you can press skip to see your backpack, or you can finish them and then you can go to backpack and then you can go to done, and your report card are all right here. And then to go to your books that you might want to read, you can go to library to read books, and for skills practice, it's pretty much just for math or just to answer questions. And then word study, it's just study like history or something. And then you can go to math, and you can go to adaptive math and fact practice. You have 2 sessions or more available if you haven't been on in a while. And fact practice was just where you have to answer some questions and you can get coins for it to buy new stuff on your character. And adaptive math is just, there's a whole bunch of categories of it, of math. There's fractions, counting, and number systems, all different kinds of stuff. And then if you tap on yourself, I look kind of weird right now, you can press skip if it does that. And then you can tap on your backpack and practice here. You can also set a goal for yourself and you'll get money and coins for that. So, and you can also go to your store, but you have to finish something in your backpack first, and then it'll let you go to the store. Unless you haven't really finished anything. I have though. Anyways, you can set goal. You just have to press set goal, and you cannot change the goal. So I'm going to press answer, and then I'm going to try to actually get 1,000 this week. So I'm going to press 60, and then you can start your goal. And then you can see how much money each person has gained that day. And of course, I'm in third. He's always at the top. And sometimes the store is closed, sometimes it's not. And if you try to go on this more than twice, it will not let you. It's just for some questions. But if you go back on your backpack, you can see what you've done, and you can review it to get better grades on different ones. And then you can go on your report card and the correct answers today, levels grown. This is pretty much for the math report. And then there's ELA report, and then you can view more. There's a lot. As I said before, there was fractions and numbers. And so, and then there's also to do. And then if you tap Freckle, it just goes back to here. So technically you can just press both of those, and you have to, and then to log out, all you have to do is press exit and it'll log you out. And then you just have to log right back in. If you don't know your class code, you can always ask your teacher for it. And don't put anybody else's name in there, or else it'll go into theirs. So just put in yours.